Hello everyone, my name is Arish Kumar Joshi and today's topic is Amazon S3. So suppose you have started a company that allow user to stream videos that are uploaded and also videos to watch videos that are streaming live. Okay, so store all the videos. You have two options. Either you go with the on-premise or you can opt for the cloud. So in the on-premise, you have to pay a lot of price to the for buying the server or the other storage devices to store the data, or you can shift to the cloud where we follow the pay as you go policy, like you have to only pay for the services or the resources that you are using, others not. Let's see what Amazon S3 is. Amazon S3 is an object storage that provide industry level scalability, performance and security. So let's see each term here. So scalability refers to as when you are shifting on the on-premise, you have to be worrying about the size of the storage devices that you are having and your size of the data. But in the cloud, you don't have to be worrying about the storage size. You can store thousands of GB, 2 terabytes, and petabytes of data. Let's see the performance in the Amazon S3. So Amazon S3 also allow you to integrate with the other apps of the AWS. Like suppose you have a data and want to run some analytical operation on it, so you can integrate it with Amazon AWS Athena to run some operation and find the output. You want to stream videos to tens or thousands of people, you can integrate it with the AWS Kinesis application to stream to a bunch of people. Now, S3 also provide you the storage classes. So here are the different storage classes. Like in the data that are infrequently accessed, you can move it to the AWS standard infrequent access, and you can even specify the zone. You have a multi-zone, you can have a single zone. It also provide you a warm policy, that is write one and read many. So it also has a Amazon S3 deep archive. So you want to store some data for hundreds year, so you can store it in the deep archive. So it will reduce the cost. When the all the data is in the cloud, the most important factor is the integrity of the data. You can force the data in the transit to use SSL and TSL encryption, and there is a server-side encryption. That means the data that is present in the bucket at rest are encrypted by default by the Amazon, but you can add an additional layer of security by adding your own custom keys using AWS KMS. There is a access control, so you can specify a role and a policy to a certain people in the infrastructure to access the bucket and control the files that are inside of it. There are logging and monitoring options as well. So you can integrate your bucket with the AWS Cloud Metrics that will immediately notify if a certain threshold or any activity that you have set is triggered. There is a policies option as well in the S3, that is versioning and lifecycle. So lifecycle like data retention policy to move the data after 60 certain period of time, like 60 days or 90 days, to different storage classes. In the versioning, you can enable the versioning, and you can keep a track of the all the same file with different version as well. There is a termination behavior, like if any data is present inside the bucket, it cannot be deleted. First you have emptied the bucket, then it will be deleted. So it is a level of security as well. And in the network security, you can place it inside a virtual private cloud, so that only the infrastructure people that are inside the infrastructure can access it.